And this is the one of the gentleman is there. He will say to the police, Omukar Bacha, Tomukar Bacha.
Mr. Banerjee, this sort
Yes,
of
yes, yes,
statements
yes.
are being made.
Yes, yes. You are
Mr. Banerjee, unfortunate.
Don't say. Wearing a coat gown, coming here in the court and going into the police. That's Yomukar Bacha, Tomukar Bacha.
But I understand the grounds which are cited. These are all moonshine. These are all moonshine. This is the actual cause. Personal aspersions and personal attacks are casted. How can you not
তোমার দুনিয়াকে ঠিক করে রাখতে বলো
Yes, what is the distance?
50
distance is around
Banerjee, I am very sorry to see your lordship. This personal aspersions.
Yes.
Mr. Banerjee, please don't do this.
you don't do it
Please don't do
you
it.
don't do it
Don't try.
you don't do it মাস্তানি
cultural organization that was set up 3 years ago by like-minded citizens in West Bengal. Society is consisting of doctors, professors, lawyers, teachers, students, and persons of excellence in their field. On 13 September 2025, due to heavy rainfall, Kolkata has faced a tragic incident where 12 people died due to electrocution on the streets of Kolkata. In memory of the untimely demise of the persons, it has been misspelled as deceased. We, a collective group of like-minded people, want to conduct a dignified candle march in memory of the victim as per the schedule mentioned below. We want to have it on the 5th of October. The time is from 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the evening. The rally commences from College Square and culminates at Dorina Crossing. The total expected number of participants will be 5,000. And we will be having a small stage also. We'll find at the note portion, which is there at the bottom, almost at the bottom. Stage size of 20 to 30 feet with 500 chairs, sound box, mic, etc. And we have also, if kindly turns overleaf, page 26, we have undertaken to abide by the general terms and conditions. So this is in a nutshell, the fact of the case. Now, despite making such application, on the 27th of September,
The decision was taken by you on 27th.
27th, yes, the application was made.
And when did this incident take place?
This happened, on the 13th of September, 25.
খোলা হাওয়া but see what the persons are there. Of course, Calcutta police is very competent to handle these types of hooligans peoples. Dr. Sopon Dasgupta, ex-MP. Dr. Swarup Prasad Ghosh, Vice President, BJP. Dr. Pankaj Kumar Rai, BJP. Sudipto Go, BJP. Subhendu Adhikari, opposition. Wherever he will be there, there will be disturbances. Full disturbance. He has been created for creating disturbances. Shankudev Panda, another one. Topmost hooligans of the political parties. Manavendra Das. These are, can you see? These are the
From lawyers who are there.
who?
Lawyers are also there in this.
Lawyers. No, the lawyers for years, few names are given. But or asli, this the main peoples are these peoples. Governing body members. And all will have to work on that day itself. And these peoples have been, your lordship knows regarding the Navarna Abhiyan, what they have done, these peoples, basically Subhendu Adhikari and Shankudev Panda. These people will create all difficulties. RG Corps was not a political organization. Now, Milad, why this fifth? Why this fifth? It can be done on 6th. It can be done on 4th. But why 5th? 5th has chosen to counter the government. Because these peoples are political peoples. These peoples all are political people. Why 5th? Do it on 6th. Do it tomorrow. Do it on 7th. Why on 5th? I mean, this, your lordship knows this carnival has now worldly recognized. UNICEF has recognized it. Now,
How long will it take to complete the program? It will start from 5 PM probably.
4 p.m. it will start, but before that this all preparation has to be start. 117. I don't like this. Repeatedly, I have told you. 117 idols will come to participate in the carnival.
It will start from 4 PM and it will end at 7
It
probably.
will continue up to 8. Now, this 170 idol, where it will be kept? Rani Raspberry, then left hand side, Dorina Crossing, all these idols have to be organized. Now, second part. Second part is this, that all idols for the immersion, because these idols will come from different parts of the Calcutta. Now, 57 idols will come from the North Calcutta. This is for the participation in this carnival. And now 57 carnivals idols will come. These apart. Those who are not participating, that is the last date for the immersion. All Mullard idols will come. I don't understand, Miss Mallard, one thing. To contest, to compete with the government. To compete with the government. And this is the one of the gentleman is there. He will say to the police, Omukar Bacha, Tomukar Bacha.
Mr. Banerjee, if this sort
Yes,
of
yes, yes,
statements
yes.
are being made.
Yes, yes. You are
Mr. Banerjee, unfortunate.
Don't say. Wearing a coat gown, coming here in the court and going into the police. That's Yomukar Bacha, Tomukar Bacha.
But I understand the grounds which are cited. These are all moonshine. These are all moonshine. This is the actual cause. Personal assaults and personal attacks are casted. How can you not include the case?
You are also not
That will not include the case. You cannot.
This is it. It is there. On different courts, different matters are going on.
Then this is only them.
No. You are
them.
You are the See.
Take your seat. Please continue. Yes,
Of course, I will do it.
please
Up-
continue.
Do it.
Please take.
These are all record. On record.
Everyone has everything recorded.
Your record is also known.
Yes.
Yes. All record. Now, my lord, all the idols, apart from 117, will come from different parts of the North Calcutta.
How many idols are participating in that
117.
117?
117. Out of 117, nearly 60, 57 or 50, nearly 60 idols will come from North Calcutta.
Okay.
This is for the purpose of the participating in the carnival. This apart 57. There are so many idols are there. So many idols, blood, they will come for the immersion. They will come for the immersion. How we will arrange? Malad, kindly see this notification. 4th July, it was notified that the immersion this carnival will take place on 5th.
No, but you see, this tragic incident of this death of so many persons that did not take few months ago. That took recently.
No, why they have not done it before Puja?
No, puja actually people.
They can
will do it yes, but 6 is a working day probably.
Tomorrow,
Yes, working days are usually avoided. Working days.
6th is it, 5th is it tomorrow. Today is what? 3rd. Day after tomorrow, 5th. 5th.
No, 5th is on the scheduled day.
5th is Saturday.
5th is Sunday. Today
5th is
Friday.
the scheduled day. 6th. Let them do it on 6th. There is no difficulty. 5th is Saturday. 6th is the Sunday. No difficulties are there. And my lord, kindly see, we have given the notice. This is all in the month of July. Now, my lord, kindly see one thing. This is their applications. Kindly see first. Kindly come to page 27. Come to clause 28.
Yes.
This is they have applied. They have applied. Clause 28. Kolkata police authorities reserve the right to withdraw this if situation so required. It is in their application itself. Therefore, there is no absolute right. But pupils will come from all throughout the state of West Bengal. Foreigners will come there. Foreigners will come. Number one, here, your lordships will find the judgment which has been handed over. Firstly, number one, that last year was a different thing, RG Kor. RG Kor incident was, it was not a political.
No, that I think RG Kor procession, I think that took place on this carnival day.
Yes, that was a different thing. RG Kor was not a political thing. I will show to your lordships another judgment. No. Okay, একটা দে আরেকটা this is the judgment what has happened when the puja was going on. The peoples of the RG Kor, some peoples of the RG Kor were going to some pandals creating the disturbances. Milord, kindly take this one. Now, Milord, kindly come. তো চুপ করো না, আমি তো দেখাচ্ছি। My lord, kindly come. First,
But I will not be dealing with, my lord, the vague and amorphous submissions, my lord, which do not find place within the four corners of the order which has been handed over to us. First is, my lord, the attempt of the state.
challenge.
First is, my lord, the attempt of the state.
Petitioner has
I-
become involved.
I was not to interfere.
No,
I think you, sir, I think you have finished.
That he is giving the
I thought younger generation learn from elders. What example the elders are living.
when the young
Very well. Now, my lord,
post
Yes, yes, please.
from that side, my lord, I'll just be dealing on the points of law, my lord. We are before, my lord, a constitutional court. We are supposed to, my lord, only address on the questions of law instead of, my lord, casting personal aspersions. Now, my lord, first is, my lord, doctrine of necessity, as was being submitted by the state. Doctrine of necessity, unlike the common law remedy, my lord, in the United Kingdom, is not recognized by our constitution under Article 226 or under Article 2, under Article 32. It's a point of law, it's a question of law. So, my lord, administrative exigency, which is being cited, my lord, which is being cited, administrative exigency, relying on the, my lord, principles of doctrine of necessity is not available. An order has been passed by trying to, my lord, the state has attempted to overreach the powers of the honorable court. 27th of September, the application was made, and my lord, the order came only upon filing and service of the writ petition today at 2:25 p.m. Not before that, my lord. This is nothing to prejudice, my lord, the pending writ proceeding. Now, my lord, insofar as, my lord, the judgment which has been cited by my learned friend is concerned, paragraph 9 and 10 of the judgment clearly says that in the writ petition, a judicial order which was passed by the magistrate was under challenge. So that is neither here nor there, my lord. Here, my case is, my lord, completely otherwise. That last year, when the honorable court permitted, my lord, this Droher carnival at Rani Rashmoni Road, it was not, my lord, at Ramlila Maidan, as was, my lord, being stated by my learned friend. kindly takes paragraph 6, my lord, of the judgment that I have handed over to your lordship, my lord, 2024 SCC Online, Calcutta 9414.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, kindly takes paragraph 6. It states that by a communication dated 11th October 2024, the petitioners had duly written to the respondent authority seeking permission to conduct the above event on 15th October at Rani Rashmoni Road, Dharmapura. The reply, my lord, was negated by the police authorities. And thereafter, my lord, I have already placed, my lord, para 13, the state's contention of having it on another day, a day, my lord, which does not coincide with this immersion carnival, or at another venue, was, my lord, abnegated by the Honorable Writ Court, my lord. So, my lord, here, as I submitted, my lord, I will just reiterate, my lord, for the sake of prolixity, my lord. It is no more, my lord, res integra. These points were already argued by the state in similar set of facts, which were heard, decided, and held against the state, my lord. Now, coming to the question of, my lord, yes. Paragraphs 13, 14, and 15, my lord, the state thereafter suggested to have this Roher Carnival at Ramlila, which the Honorable Court rejected. It is not that, my lord, the venue was at Ramlila. The venue was at Rani Rashmoni Road, which is admittedly, my lord, the state has rightly submitted. But if we take the distance, my lord, between, my lord, Red Road and Dorina Crossing, Rani Rashmoni is the intervening point, my lord. It is closer to the venue where this, my lord, immersion ceremony will be held. My lord, in light of, my lord, the facts of the case, the law, my lord, as, my lord, I have, my lord, attempted my best to submit, my lord, and the contentions raised on behalf of the state, my lord, the order which has been, my lord, handed over after filing of the writ petition, my lord, that does not take, my lord, stand the test of reasonableness, my lord. Suffers from, my lord, the triple test also, my lord. Even if, my lord, applies the Wednesbury principle, this suffers from, my lord, illegality, irrationality, as well as, my lord, procedural impropriety. And at a point of time, my lord, it has been, my lord, deliberately directed at a point of time with a view, my lord, to render the pending proceedings, my lord, infructuous or to prejudice it, my lord. This is not the first instance, my lord, that on the day when the state will be celebrating with foreigners and dignitaries, my lord, persons will come out as citizens on the street to voice their protest for the untimely and unfortunate passing away of 12 hapless souls, my lord, which occurred on the 23rd of September, my lord. We cannot, my lord, measure the number or volume of death that last year we lost a sister. This year, my lord, this is a different incident, even if we lose, my lord, 12 of our fellow countrymen from the same city, my lord. That cannot be, my lord, a parameter. That cannot be a parameter, my lord. Well, these are my humble submissions, my lord. In view of, my lord, the humble submissions, my lord, I beseech my lord to allow the writ application, my lord, and permit, my lord, the this particular rally, my lord, which has been applied for before.